Next we have Kusma Devi, PPREV 112. I've already made you the panelist. Please open your webcam and your audio. Yes, so Kusma, your time starts now.
Good
Hello.
evening, everyone. I'm here to. Hello, hello,
Continue,
hello.
continue.
Good evening, everyone. I'm here to present my e-poster on the topic comparison of oral and vaginal misoprostol in terminating second trimester pregnancy after pre-treating with mifepristone. I would like to give you detail about the misoprostol and mifepristone. Misoprostol is a prostaglandin E1 analog, which is generally available in the market for the treatment of gastric ulcer caused by the long-term use of NSAIDs, that is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like aspirin, diclofenac, etc. And it is used to start the labor, and it acts on the myometrial cells and cause the myometrial contraction and cause the expulsion of the fetus. Why second trimester pregnancy is required? Second trimester pregnancy is required in case of miscarriage management, and in case there is fetal abnormality, and in case of there is issues with maternal health. Mifepristone is a progesterone receptor antagonist, which reduces the abortion time because it acts synergistically with the misoprostol, and mifepristone generally reverses the action of progesterone. It increases the uterine contractility and also sensitizes the myometrium for prostaglandins. Misoprostol can be used alone for the induction of labor, but its side effects are more as compared to when it is used in combination with mifepristone. Misoprostol is generally used also. It is generally quite inexpensive, and it is available in oral, vaginal, sublingual, and rectal forms. And it can be stored for a quite a long period of time at a room temperature. I have done a systemic review or systemic search for the review and research articles by using Google Med, Google Scholar, sorry, and PubMed and Science Direct. And when we talk about the pharmacokinetics of misoprostol is generally metabolized by the liver, and 1% of its active metabolite is excreted by uh, uh, is excreted through kidney. And uh, when we talk about oral misoprostol, the peak plasma concentration is reached quickly, but the decrease in peak plasma concentration is also rapid. So the weak contractions, uterine contractility is seen in case of oral misoprostol. But in case of vaginal misoprostol, the peak plasma concentration is not reached that quickly, and it is slightly lower than the oral misoprostol, but it sustains for 4 hours. And bioavailability of vaginal misoprostol is 3 times higher than that of oral misoprostol, which is determined by the area under curve 360. Mean plasma concentration of oral and vaginal misoprostol can be reached within 12 to 16 minutes, and its terminal half-life is 12 to 20 to 40 minutes. The results were obtained after the researchers did randomized trials on the women which were requesting the legal second trimester abortion, and the age of women were between 16 to 35 years of age. Uh, the women were divided into two groups. One is a vaginal group, and group A, which consists of administration of vaginal misoprostol, and group 2, in which the oral misoprostol was administered. In the group 1, that is vaginal misoprostol group, firstly the mifepristone was added in both the group, that is vaginal and oral group, because it sensitized the myometrium for the prostaglandin action. And after 36 to 48 hours of administration of mifepristone, the vaginal and oral misoprostol was administered in group 1 and group 2. only number of women in vaginal misoprostol group was 113, and number of women in oral misoprostol group were 130. The different parameters were seen, like expulsion of conceptus without cesarean, and incomplete abortion, missed abortion, and continued pregnancy. In case of vaginal misoprostol, 95 out of 126 women showed expulsion of conceptus without cesarean, and in case of oral misoprostol, 87 women out of 113 showed expulsion of conceptus without cesarean. And incomplete abortion was similar in both vaginal and oral misoprostol. Uh, that is 4 out of 5 incomplete abortion in case of vaginal misoprostol, and 3 out of 4 incomplete abortion in case of oral misoprostol. Missed abortion and continued pregnancy was more in case of vaginal misoprostol, that is 1 out of 1 missed abortion in vaginal, and continued pregnancy is 1 out of 1 in vaginal group. But in oral group, continued pregnancy is 7 out of 9, and missed abortion is 3 out of 4. And there were the occurrence of different side effects were seen in these groups. In vaginal groups, out of 133 women, 121 showed the occurrence of these side effects, and in case of oral misoprostol, the 130 women showed out of 130 women, 16 women showed occurrence of these side effects. The side effects which are seen are nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, headache, tiredness, dizziness, hot flushes. Nausea in case of vaginal misoprostol, 60 out of 72 women was having nausea, and in case of oral misoprostol, 70 out of 81 women were feeling nausea conditions, and in case of vomiting in vaginal group, 31 out of 38 women were were having vomiting. And in case of oral misoprostol, 44 out of 51 women were having the side effects of vomiting. And in case of vaginal misoprostol, 18 out of 22 women and were having diarrhea, and 36 in oral misoprostol group, 36 out of 42 women were having diarrhea. But in case headache, 21 women out of 25 in vaginal misoprostol were having headache, and oral misoprostol, in case of oral misoprostol, 22 out of 26 women were having headache. And in case of tiredness, vaginal misoprostol, 70 out of 85 women were having tiredness, and in case of oral misoprostol, 67 out of 72 women were having tiredness. Dizziness, in case of dizziness, 44 out of 53 women were having dizziness in case of vaginal misoprostol, and in oral misoprostol, 41 out of 48 were having dizziness in case of oral misoprostol. And in hot flushes, 49 out of 59 women in vaginal group were having hot flushes, and 46 out of 53 women. Yes, ma'am.
Kusma, you have 30 seconds left. Please wind up.
Yes, ma'am. So we can tell that nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and headache were more in case of oral misoprostol, but headache, tiredness, tiredness, dizziness, and hot flushes was more in case of vaginal group. At similar dose, misoprostol was more effective than the oral form, but the side effects were more. But when the concentration of oral misoprostol is increased, it becomes equally effective as that of vaginal misoprostol. But vaginal misoprostol is generally more effective than the oral misoprostol in termination of second trimester pregnancy. But oral route is more preferred because of patient compliance. Thank you.
Kusma, thank you. I request the evaluators to please start the question answer session.
Kusma, my question is, uh, for abortion, we can take misoprostol in any phase of our pregnancy.
Misoprostol is generally taken in the second trimester of pregnancy. Like researches are done which shows that misoprostol is generally effective between 12 to 20 week of gestation period, that is second trimester of pregnancy. But after that, it is not effective in termination of pregnancy.
Okay. Okay. Uh, can we have other option than prostaglandin analog for abortion?
Yes, ma'am. The gamipristone is generally
Like example?
gamipristone is generally used for the termination of a pregnancy. Gamiprost something,
Okay.
but it is
Thank you,
not
Kusma.
effective than
Over to you.
misoprostol.
Yeah, Kusuma, what is your
Yes, sir.
conclusion?
Conclusion is
What's your
that
conclusion?
vaginal route, sir, the conclusion is that vaginal route is more effective in termination of second trimester pregnancy, because the
Yeah.
oral route is having more side effects, and also the oral route is not that effective. But oral route is generally preferred by the woman because it offers privacy as well as patient compliance.
And also oral route is having more side effects than other route. Is it?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
it
sir.
is it is an Indian scenario only. But whereas in other, except other than India, everyone is using suppositories only.
Yes, sir.
What you said, in India only it is considered. Are you studied with the perspective of our country or entire world?
Sir, entire world.
The conclusion, yeah, remember, the conclusion should be very clearly, you said it is an preferable Indians, you should mention Indians, because of if you are reviewed literature, or if you are reviewed previous articles, it clearly mentions only Indian country will face like this problem, except our country everyone is going for suppositories only. That is one thing. And the
Sir,
next one is,
actually, I
yeah,
have studied
please.
some paper and review articles, and the two of the research articles were from China.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
China is
They
also
have it in the.
used for more suppositories only. We in nowadays in modern areas in main cities they are going for suppositories only. But okay, this is unconsiderable. And next one is use of this may leads to forever death of fetus. Do you know that? You did not mention in occurrence of various side effects. Repeated use of this may causes forever the loss of fetus. You did not mention. Except that, excellent. Everything is excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kusma. Now we have